To set side and volume up case, a shortcut to turn on or off Talkback in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Tap side and volume up case and then select Talkback. A pop-up menu appears to inform you about Talkback and the permission needed by this feature. To continue, tap Allow. Now you can easily turn on Talkback by pressing the side and volume up case at the same time. And then select Talkback.
Talkback on. Side and volume up keys. Talkback on Galaxy Watch 4 Manager is off. If you want to use Talkback on your watch, tap here to turn it on. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
To turn off Talkback, press the side and volume up case at the same time.
Can't use Bixby voice while mic in use by another app. Edit shortcuts. Live transcribe in list. Double tap to activate.
Tap Talkback to select it.
Talkback on. Double tap to activate.
And then double tap to turn it off.
Talkback off.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.